Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to explain how to complete JLPT registration at home. Let's see. First, input your JLPT ID and password, then login. Then come to here, examination application. Then the individual application, group application. Select individual application. Remember one thing, JLPT application deadline registration September 7, 2016 for this December time. Let's start. Individual application, then come to scroll, come to down, then read all these terms and condition. Then I agree. Okay. After that, first option test level. Test level, which level you are going to be participate. Then I am going to participate JLPT N1, then N1 according to level N2, N3, N4, N5. Select your level. Then test area. Select test area. My area is Kanto, Ibaraki, Tochigi, Gumba, Saitama, Chiba, Tokyo, Kanagawa. So I select this one. You others people Hokkaido, Tohoku, Aomori, Iwate, Miyagi, Akita, then Tokai, Gifu. You can select from here your prefecture, then select OK. Then to upload photo. This is the very important part. Okay, look. There is the lots of option. This photo is okay. Now this photo and this photo face is too small, face is too big, and this placed from the center and facing sideways. Photos of passports, resident card, etc. Okay, these photos are not allowed. This kind of photo, like this photo, then download it and go to my JLPT once again and to photograph upload. Then select the photo. Go here and the download option, WhatsApp image, open. Then select your photo like this kind of. Please mark your face in the middle red circle. Okay, done. This confirm. Okay, my photo has been selected. Then check your name. This one is important. Residential card number, residential card expiration date. Okay. Your country and check your first language, your sex, male, date of birth, and your postal address. Is there any mistake? You should check this carefully. Your telephone number, fax number. Okay, fax number, name of the company or school, telephone number of the company school, name of the company. You should write your school name. I'm writing my company name. This is important. Japanese study hour, red mark. You should fill up there. Then 0 to 100, 101 to 200. According to your Japanese study hour, you select this one. I'm selecting 2001 hour. Then occupation. Then JLPT purpose, applying for job, applying for scholarship, applying to graduate school, applying to university, applying to junior college, applying to specialty, just major Japanese proficiency. Then occupation, employee, company employee, public servant, technical apparent, homemaker, university student, special trainings to Japanese language school to student up to high school. I am employee, and the student should choose Japanese language school student. Then to pay test fee. Okay. After that, test fee 7,500. You can email address of card holder. Okay, give your email address here. The card holder. You all can pay by the company CRI. You can pay your last name, first name, then payment at convenience store. You can pay from the convenience store. I select this option. The family mart. You can choose Lawson here. Then modify. You can also modify your application information. Then apply. This is last. Okay, confirm. Okay. Then select convenience store, payment, receipt number, and your phone number, and the home. Then you will get your application has been received. Application accept number, this one. Okay. And check and modify application information. This is your payment receipt number, family mart, telephone number, domestic, this one. The due date of payment September 7. You can pay before September 7. Okay. This is not paid already. Take a screenshot of this and take a picture of this payment receipt, and you can pay at Family Mart. It's very easy. Don't worry. Hi, minasan. It's a very simple process to fill up the JLPT form at home. It's very some of them thought that I have to pay right now. No. You can pay by within 7 September. If you choose the combine option, some combine payment option. Okay, minasan, chicken gambatte kudasai. Mata ne, bye bye.